Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Buju Banton among those vying for the Jamaica Festival song title. In a live broadcast on Sunday, the Gargamel, who was the last to be featured, shared reasons for entering this year's competition.
The support that it used to receive from entertainers has not been so great, you know what I mean? People don't look at it as something trivial, festival and just local songs and, you know? But we don't want it to remain there because it wasn't there before. It was always a national event where we all look forward to as Jamaicans. So now, if we're given an opportunity to, you know, make this whole again, why not?
Buju performed his entry, I Am a Jamaican, and of course Blessed from his latest album, Upside Down 2020.
Tell them so we bless. Tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless. Tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless. Tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless. Where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican.
Buju's Upside Down 2020 was released on June 26, and the album peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Now, still on Jamaica Festival, the pre-finals 2.5-hour live broadcast was a treat on Sunday night. The event was hosted by Yenty Phillips and Christopher Daly and featured the top 10 contestants who performed their entry song along with a song of their choice. Fans also got the chance to meet each one through special video messages. 2020 is seen as a significant year for the competition, with a mixture of veteran and upcoming artists, including Freddie McGregor, Toots and the Maytals, and Sugar.
Place I know and the place I grow, Jamaica is my home. For better or worse, yeah, she comes first. Never, never leave my best.
One people, one country, hey, spreading love everywhere we go. Hey, one people,
one people. Eternal Father, bless our land with justice, truth and right. See how the little children walking on the sidewalk, singing festival songs.
The finals are live this Sunday, July 26, right here on TVJ. And remember to vote for your favorite song. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.